£1,000 Sisters, Heaven and Hell, Amy's arrest, possible engagement. House sale and other drama explained. £1,000 Sisters. Amy Slatton appears to be starting a new chapter in her life following her recent arrest and has already put her home up for sale. Amy's appearance on the reality show began in 2020. Weighing over 400 pounds, she found it difficult to complete everyday tasks and restricted her freedom. Amy's obesity also hindered her ability to achieve her goals, including starting a family and pursuing her interests. Luckily, Amy realized her worth before it was too late. She consulted a doctor and eventually underwent bariatric surgery, which allowed her to lose weight. Amy quickly became a mother after losing over 250 pounds. After undergoing weight loss surgery, Amy quickly became pregnant and gave birth to her first son, Gage, in 2020. Amy gained some weight during her pregnancy, but that didn't prevent her from having another baby. Just a year later, in mid-2021, she became pregnant again and was blessed with her second son, Glenn. Amy seemed to be on track with her postpartum weight loss and motherhood. However, problems in her marriage led her to file for divorce from her husband Michael Holterman in 2023. Amy arrested and exposed as a mother. Amy accused of neglecting her children recently. Amy was jailed for drug possession, surprising viewers of the 6th season of £1,000 Sisters. The drama began when the Dixon resident visited the zoo with her sons and one of their friends, Brian Scott. Unfortunately, things got worse when Amy sustained injuries from being bitten by a camel. Zoo staff saw what was happening and called 911 for help. She seemed happy and excited to be there. When police arrived, they quickly created a map of the accident scene. They also searched Amy's car, where they found drugs. Paramedics carried Amy out on a stretcher, but it wasn't long before police arrested her on charges of drug possession and child endangerment. Amy appeared in court on September 5 and pleaded not guilty. Amy's sister, Tammy Slatton, took the children home. Meanwhile, Amy's brother, Chris Combs, posted bail and was released from jail. As a result of her drug-related arrest, Amy received dozens of hateful messages and comments. She was criticized for her parenting methods and urged to improve them. So far, Amy has denied taking the drugs police found in her car. Amy Slatton might be getting engaged. Amy was seen wearing a ring on her finger. Amy isn't the only one facing charges. Her boyfriend Brian will also have to face the consequences of drug possession. Not much has been publicized about Amy and Brian's relationship, but photos published by The Sun suggest that their friendship may be deeper than fans think. A photo of Amy's release shows her wearing what appears to be an engagement ring, and another shows her holding hands with Brian after being released from police custody. The cast members of £1,000 Sisters might be in a romantic relationship with their boyfriends. It is not too far-fetched to assume that Amy is in a romantic relationship with Brian. She ended her marriage with her ex-husband Michael about a year ago. Amy divorced him and moved on with her life. She might have started dating him right after her divorce with Michael, and she might have developed feelings for Brian from that time. Perhaps the mother of two felt that it was in her children's best interest to move forward quickly and get into a serious relationship with her new partner. Nevertheless, Amy's arrest has already cast doubt on her new relationship. Amy's dilapidated house is for sale. Amy's house listed for $69,000. Amy lived with Tammy in a duplex in Kentucky. The two women had many adventures in the house and achieved cult status in £1,000 Sisters. Recently, just 2 days after her arrest, Amy put the duplex up for sale, asking $69,000 from interested buyers. According to TV shows Ace, Amy's house isn't in great condition. It has an overgrown, trash-filled lawn and a dirty roof. However, the home is spacious with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a new metal roof that was installed 4 to 6 years ago. Amy may have decided to sell the property for a few reasons. The most obvious reason is the payment Chris made to get Amy and Brian out of jail. The two are reportedly being held in Crockett County Jail. Amy's brother, Chris, paid about $20,000 bail for Amy and her friends. Amy is apparently trying to sell her house to pay off her debts. She put the property up for sale because it was the easiest way for her to raise enough money quickly. Amy is skinny, but is she happy? Does Amy use substances for temporary pleasure? Before her arrest, the 1,000-pound Sisters actress was doing well. She'd lost nearly 150 pounds, looked healthy, and was enjoying spending time with her friend Arisha Davis, while posting funny TikTok videos online. But despite her fun online presence, Amy has been known to be quite shy. Therefore, she seems to be internally conflicted. She is probably still navigating life as a single mother, dealing with the after-effects of a failed marriage and dealing with mental health issues. Amy may be stressed about her responsibilities and future and turn to substances to temporarily ease her fears and anxieties. She appeared to be under the influence of drugs, as evidenced by her slurred voice and facial expressions. Other videos show Amy getting high and relaxing. Amy recently posted a video of herself singing. These posts suggest that she may be using certain substances for momentary pleasure. Either way, Amy's behavior is not a healthy way to deal with her problems. Not only does it put her at risk, it could also lead to youth services taking her sons away. Perhaps the 1,000-pound Sisters actress should consider therapy to deal with her midlife crisis.